What's up, YouTube? Slow-Mo 8 coming at you. Give you the last rundown on my latest AR pistol build. It's finally complete and how I want it. Here it is. Show you that the weapon is clear. I had the pistol Cerakoted in Patriot Brown. I added the SB Tactical SBA 4 brace, ALG combat trigger, and a Strike Industries hand stop. I have about 350 rounds through it now. It's performed flawless. No problems at all. And I'm loving it. I also added a Blue Force Gear sling. This is their smaller sling that they have. And I think it's perfect for this pistol. It's a lot smaller than my Magpul MS4 sling, but I love it on this one. Empty mag. That's what she's looking like, guys. Cerakoted in Patriot Brown, once again. FN Cold Hammer Forged barrel. UTG Pro. Handguard. Palmetto upper. It has a Aero Precision lower parts kit in it. ALG trigger. SB Tactical SBA 4 brace. Primary arms advanced micro dot. Pretty much the rundown on it, guys. I'm loving it. I also built something else to go along with this build. Show you that the weapon is clear. Polymer 80 Glock 19 build. Magpul FDE frame. It has a AIM surplus slide on it. A Bear Creek Arsenal barrel. It's pretty much the cheapest barrel I could find. It has the AmeriGlow Hackathon sights on it. It's the blacked out rear. Fiber optic and tritium. I think that's correct. Fiber optic and tritium front sight post. Has a rear back, a custom back plate on it. And a grip plug. It has all factory Glock internals. Extended slide stop. That's a must-have for me on all my Glocks, pretty much. I have about 200 rounds to it so far, and out of those 200 rounds, I did have 4 failures. I think it was 2 failures to feed and 2 double feeds. So after that range session, I came back then I polished all the internals. Don't know if you can see that, but see how shiny that trigger bar is? I came back in, I polished all the internals, And I polished the feed lip on the barrel. So now I got to get back out to the range and see if it does any better this time. Next time, it's raining a bunch where I'm from right now, so my range is pretty bad. So I'm hoping within a week or two I should be able to get back to the range with this. All factory Glock internals. Built that to go along with my brown AR pistol. So you see those my two compact guns. That's brown. I built that pair to match this pair. Well, to go along with another thing, these are my two full sides. And that's my gray pair. I already have a couple videos up going into detail on this AR build. If you want to see more of this one, you can go on my page, and I have a few videos up of that AR already. But this is my Glock 17. Show you that the weapon is clear. It has stainless pins, a Lone Wolf barrel, Streamlight TLR3 flashlight, Talon grip tape, grip plug, and True Glow sights. Red on the front, green fiber optic on the back rather. Extended slide stop. Once again, that's a must-have on my Glocks. But that's the Glock 17. And its little brother, the Glock 19. Got a couple other things in store that I'm waiting to build. Waiting on a couple parts for a couple of other things, and I'll be making a couple more videos pretty soon. Slow Mo 8 signing out.